All right, so number 6, we're told to figure out what x is, and then also the measurement of two angles, and then we have to list the acceptable names for the angle that's marked with an arc. So for the first part, I want to take the given information and I want to put it in place in my diagram. So angle ABD is equal to 4x minus 1. Angle DBC, that's equal to 3x plus 5. And we're also told that angle ABD, which is the larger angle, is equal to 81 degrees. So we'll put this out here. We can use the angle addition postulate, which says this, that the measurement of angle ABD plus the measurement of angle DBC is equal to the measurement of angle ABC. Basically, if you take an angle and break it up into two parts, those two parts are equal to the whole angle. So what is the measurement of ABD? Well, it's given to be 4x minus 1, so I'm going to replace that with 4x minus 1. DBC, that angle is equal to 3x plus 5, and then the measurement of ABC is equal to 81 degrees. So now you have yourself a three-step equation. So let's go ahead and combine like terms. 4x plus 3x, that gives me 7x. Negative 1 plus 5, that's going to give me positive 4. That's equal to 81. Subtract 4 from both sides. So 7x is equal to 77. Divide by 7 on both sides. X equal to 11. Okay, so I know that x is equal to 11. So I'm going to go back up to the problem and we'll put 11 in place. And I'm also told to figure out what the measurement of angle ABD is and the measurement of angle DBC. Well, since I know what x is now, I can replace x with 11, and then I can just do the math. So 4 times 11, that's 44, minus 1, that's 43, so that's 43 degrees. There's a couple of ways to find the second one. Maybe the most straightforward way is just to go ahead and do the same thing. Substitute 11 for x, and then figure out what that's going to give you. So 33 plus 5 should give you 38. And these two numbers together should add up to give you that number. So the measurement of ABD, that's 43 degrees. The measurement of ABC, that's equal to 38 degrees. And I'm done with the first part. The second part says list all the acceptable names for the angle marked with one arc. So a lot of students overlook the arc. So the arc is right here. What's this angle? What are the acceptable ways to refer to that angle? Can I call it angle B? Well, if you said yes to that question, that's actually incorrect. I can't say angle B because angle B actually represents two angles, that angle and this angle as well. So if you say angle B, you're talking about both of those. We just want to refer to angle 1. So the acceptable names for angle 1 that's marked, you can actually put a number there, any number that you want, and you can call it by that number. So I'm going to call it angle 1. If this is a multiple choice test or a written test, a written response test, your teacher may be looking for you to say the more obvious answer, though, which is angle ABD. So that is the only acceptable way to refer to that angle that has the mark. And this is how you do problem number 6.